Yes, Raktim, good evening. Yes, Shankha, good evening. Those who have joined, please comment so that I can start the class. Well, good evening. While in the last class, we completed the example number 2, it seems. Doesn't it, Pyle? Okay. Today we will see example number 3. You all can move to page number 60. You all can move to page number 60. Okay, example number 3, then 4, then we will discuss some property, then absolute value, then we will start the exercise today. Okay. While you can keep on writing. Board is clear, everyone? Example number 3, they ask you to compare. Example 3 is number 1. 3 by 5, we need to compare with 1 by 2. So, what is the rational number 3 by 5 and 1 by 2? Cross multiplied 3 into 2 is 6 and 5 into 1 is 5. Which is greater? 6 is greater. Since 6 is greater than 5, therefore what can I write? 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. Just cross multiply, numerator will be multiplied with this denominator, denominator will be multiplied with this numerator, and hence we will get the product. After getting the product, you can compare whether the first product or the second product among which is greater. Okay, juntu dangor hobo. If 6 is greater, then the first fraction is greater. If the next one is greater, then the second fraction will be greater. Clear? Okay. Let's see number 2 then. 2 by 5 will be compared with 5 by 7. 2 into 7 is 14 and 3 into 5 is 15. So which is greater? 14 is less than 15. That means 15 is greater than 14 is smaller. Therefore, what can I write? 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 7. Okay? Written? Okay. Number 3, minus 8 by minus 14 will be compared with 13 by 21. So this is the question. Minus and minus will be taken away. Okay, so 8 by 14 and 13 by 21. Now cross multiply it. So when we will cross multiply 8 into 21, 1 into 8 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16. 14 into 13. Okay, let us multiply 192. So among this, I can write, since 168 is smaller than 192, therefore I can write minus 8 by minus 14 is smaller than 13 by 21. Okay, any doubt, anyone? Okay, let's move to example 4 then. Minus 5 by 9 and 11 by 16, minus 16. So first of all, when you will compare, you have to make the numerator, denominator, you have to make the denominator positive. Here you can see 16 is negative denominator. Okay, denominator is negative. So you have to make the denominator positive. So minus will be written with 11 and 16 became positive. Okay, so now cross multiply minus 5 into 16 and 9 into minus 11. 9 into 16 into 5 is 80 and plus minus minus 80. 11 into 9 is 99 plus minus minus 99. So now which is greater? Obviously minus 80 is greater. Therefore what can I write? Minus 5 by 9 is greater than 11 by minus 16. Clear? Is there any doubt? Okay. So let us see the next one. 85 by 105, 90 by 108. Okay. So 85 by 105, 90 by 108. Let us cross multiply. So when we will cross multiply, 85 will be multiplied with 108 and 105 will be multiplied with 90. So 108 into 85, 40, carry 4, 5 and 5 to 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5, 8 into 10, 64, carry 6, 8 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6 and 8. 9180. Okay, and 95 times 45, carry 4, 13 and this one 9350. So when you will multiply this, you will get 9350, and when this two will be multiplied, you will get 199180. So since 9180 is smaller than 9350, therefore I can write 85 by 105 is less than 90 by 108. Any doubt, anyone? written. One, you can do this in one more way. Okay, that will be little easier than this. কেনেকে তোমালোকে অলপ reduce কৰিব পাৰিবা rational number because okay, or you can do it like this, file or लिख के आप लिखना है, ठीक है? 85 by 105, number ends with 5 and number ends with 5, मतलब ये दोनों 5 के टेबल में जाएगा, isn't it? You can reduce this by the table of 5. 5 1 time 5 remains 6 7 8 remains 3, okay? 3 5 35 35 7 times, 5 2 times 10, 5 1 times 5, so it became 17 by 21, 90 by 108. It goes by the table of 9. 9 10 times 90, or it goes by the table of 2. First of all 2 से reduce कर लेते हैं, 45 times 2, 54 times. Next, directly in the table of 5 it will, or you can cancel with the table of 9 also. Let us move with the table of 3, 15 times, 3 1 time 3 remains 4 5 2. Okay, 2 4 24, 8 times. Then again by the table of 3 5 times, 3 9 times. So it became 5 by 9. এতিয়া calculation to তোমার অলপ সৰু হৈ যাব. Okay, multiplication to কেনেকৈ কৰিবা, 17 into 9, 7 9 times 63, carry 6, 7 9 into 1 is 9, 9 and 6 is 15. 21 into 5 is 105. Okay, so it will be 6, sorry, 6 3 times. So 6 times carry 4, 102 it will be. So I can write, since 102 is less than 105, therefore I can write first 85 by 105 is less than 90 by 108. Okay, here calculation will be little smaller. Okay, any doubt? Anything to ask anyone? Okay. Yes, yes, I corrected it, Raktim. Okay, then we will write next heading is order properties of rational numbers. So property 1, what is the property? First property says, for each rational number, for each rational number x, one and only one of the following is true. What is that? Jodi x at the board is clear and everyone. Here it says if x is a rational number, so x will be greater than 0 হয়তো x 0 কে ডাঙৰ হ'ব, or x will be equal to 0, or x will be less than 0. Okay, what does it means? If a number is rational, if any number is rational, it means the number can be positive, number can be 0, or number can be negative. How does positive, can I say any number greater than 0 is what? X or ফলে মুখখন খুলিছে মানে x ডাঙৰ, isn't it? So x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, that means it is positive. If x is equal to 0, it is neither positive nor negative. And if x is less than 0, that means it is negative. So therefore it says if x is a rational number, it will be greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. Okay, this is one property. Okay, so next property says property 2, for any two rational number, যদি দুটা rational number থাকে, for any two rational numbers, x and y, one and only one of the following is true. What is that? X is greater than y, x is equal to y, and x is less than y. মানে যদি তোমালোকে দুটা রেশনাল নাম্বার কনসিডার করা, তিনিটা কন্ডিশন আরাইজ হ'ব পাৰে। প্ৰথম ৰেশনাল নাম্বাৰটো ডাঙৰ হ'ব পাৰে সেকেন্ডতকে, দুটা ৰেশনাল নাম্বাৰ ইকুয়াল হ'ব পাৰে, বাট সেকেন্ড ৰেশনাল নাম্বাৰটো ডাঙৰ হ'ব পাৰে ফাৰ্ষ্টতকে। This is the only condition. Here x can be greater, first can be greater than the second, first can be equal to the second, first can be smaller than the second. হয় নে নহয়? যেতিয়া তোমালোকে দুটা ৰেশনাল নাম্বাৰ কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিবা, এই তিনটা কন্ডিশনে পাব পাৰিবা। হয় নে নহয়? Both can be equal, one can be greater than the other, one can be less than the other. Isn't it? Any doubt anyone? Okay, let us see the last one. Property number 3. Board is clear, everyone? If x, comma y and z are three rational numbers, okay, if x, comma y, comma z are three rational numbers, such that x is greater than y, that means this x is greater than y and y is greater than z, then what will happen? মানে এতিয়া ভালকে শুনিবা, x ডাঙৰ আছে y তকে আৰু y ডাঙৰ আছে z তকে। ওকে, যদি y ডাঙৰ আছে z তকে, that means z is smaller than y and y is smaller than z, that means directly কি হ'ব, z to সবতকে সৰু নাম্বাৰ হ'ব, isn't it? So এই দুটাৰ মাজত x ডাঙৰ আছে আৰু এই দুটাৰ মাজত y ডাঙৰ আছে, বাট y তকেতো x অলৰেডি ডাঙৰ আছে, সো আমি কি ক'ব পাৰো যে x z क्यों डांगर होगा, isn't it? यहाँ पे ये बोला गया है कि x बड़ा है y से, x is greater than y, and यहाँ पे क्या बोला, y is greater than z. अगर y z से बड़ा है और z y से बड़ा x है, तो सबसे बड़ा तो x ही हुआ ना, और सबसे छोटा कौन होगा, z हो जाएगा, z छोटा होगा x से, x बड़ा होगा z से भी, isn't it? Any doubt, anyone? Written? Okay. Then the last concept, absolute value. Maybe in chapter number 1 I told you about it. As per as I remember. No. That is in class 8. Okay. So let us see the absolute value. Smriti, are you there? Let's see the next topic. What is that? Absolute value. No comment and nothing from your side. Are you getting it? All the things. Absolute value of a rational number. I told you about absolute value of integers. So the same is the absolute value of rational number. So I will write absolute value of a rational number is the face value of the rational number regardless of any sign. Regardless of any sign. মানে যিকোনো রেশনাল নাম্বাৰৰ তোমালোকে যদি অ্যাবসলিউট ভ্যালু উলিয়াবা, ওকে, সো তাত যদি নেগেটিভ থাকিব, অ্যাবসলিউট ভ্যালু উইল বি পজিটিভ উইদাউট এনি সাইন, উইদাউট এনি সাইন ইজ কনসিডার্ড এজ পজিটিভ, আৰু যদি পজিটিভ থাকিব তেতিয়াও পজিটিভে আহিব ৰেশনাল অ্যাবসলিউট ভ্যালু. ইজ ইট ক্লিয়াৰ? Absolute value of a number will be the number itself without any sign. মানে যোনটো নাম্বাৰ আছে সেইটোৱে নাম্বাৰ হ'ব absolute value আৰু তাত কোনো সাইন নাথাকিব. But remember, 0 ৰ absolute value to 0 ই হ'ব. Okay, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 যেতিয়া তোমালোকে rational 0 ৰ absolute value উলিয়াব যাবা তেতিয়া 0 ই আহিব answer. বুজিছা? So I will write one more line. It is denoted by the symbol within, it is read as mod of, but here we will read as absolute. For it is used for the symbol is used for denoting absolute value. Okay, example I can take 5 by 9 or the absolute value it will be 5 by 9 minus of 5 by 9 or absolute value it will be 5 by 9 minus 5 5 by minus 9 or the absolute value it will be 5 by 9 only. আর যদি -5/-9 or absolute value of minus minus got reduced, that is absolute value of positive 5/9, which will be equal to 5/9. So I have shown you all the conditions. If 5/9 is positive, it will be 5/9 only. Both are negative. Both the numerator and denominator is negative. That means what? Minus and minus will be reduced and the number will be positive. In that case also absolute value will be positive. Minus 5/9, absolute value is positive 5/9. Here 5 by minus 9, that means it is a negative rational number, but absolute value is positive 5/9. Clear? Note it down. Okay, written, then let us move to exercise 4a. Others, any doubt? Question number 1 says find 5 rational number equivalent to each of the following rational number. So first question is 3 by 5. 5 rational number. You need to find 5 rational numbers equivalent to equivalent to 3 by 5 is equal to, first time you multiply 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5. Okay, and into 6 and into 6. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20, 15 by 25, and 18 by 30. Okay, did you get it? All of you? Okay. Let us see question number 2 then. Question number 2 is minus 6 by 11. Okay. So 5 rational number equivalent to minus 6 by 11 is equal to, first we will multiply into 2 into 2, minus 6 by 11 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5, and for fifth one we will multiply 6 and 6. Okay, so minus 12 by 22, minus 18 by 33, minus 24 by 44, minus 30 by 55, and minus 36 by 66. Clear? Is there any doubt? Okay. Number 3, 7 by minus 10. So now you might be knowing what I am going to do. First, I will multiply 2 with the numerator and denominator into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5 into 6 into 6. And we will get 6 new rational numbers which will be equivalent to 7 by minus 10. Okay. So we'll write minus 7 by 10 into 2 into 2. 7 by minus 10 into 3 into 3. 7 by minus 10 into 4 into 4. Okay. Then 7 by minus 10 into 5 into 5. 7 by minus 10 into 6 into 6. Which is equal to 7 into 2 is 14. 14 by minus 20. 21 by minus 30. 28 by minus 40. 35 by minus 50. And 42 by minus 60. Okay. Note it down, please. Okay. Let's see the last one, number 4 of this question. So you need to find 5 rational numbers equivalent to 8 by 15 into 2 into 2. You can multiply higher number also, but it will be easier for you to calculate. That's why we multiply 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, into 3, into 3. 15 into 3 is 45. 32 by 60. 40 by 75. And 48 by 90. Written? Is it written, all of you? Okay. Let's move to number 2. Write each of the rational numbers as positive denominator. Denominator should be positive. So we'll write 3 by minus 5. So for making the denominator positive, you can multiply minus 1 with the denominator since it is negative. Chitya tumalage minus 1 multiply koriba minus minus plus ho jabo, and minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3, and 5 into minus 1 is positive 5. Okay. So same is number 2, 8 by minus 17. So 8 into minus 17 into minus 1 করিম তেতিয়া denominator to positive হৈ যাব আৰু since we have multiplied minus 1 with the numerator, we have denominator, sorry, so we have to multiply minus 1 with the numerator also. So it will be 17 by minus 8. 21 by minus 25. So minus 25 into minus 1 minus 21 into minus 5 plus 21 by plus 25. Same, minus 49 into minus 1 minus 40 into minus 1 minus 40 into minus 1 will be plus 40, minus 49 into minus 1 is plus 49. This is your answer. Note it down, please. Which one? Minus 59. Okay. So it will become positive 59. Please note it down. Let's move to question number 3 then. Question number 3 will be last for today. So, question number 1, you have to make the rational number with numerator minus 30. Okay. So, this is the rational number given. Minus 15 by 16. Minus 15 by 6. Minus 15 numerator की बनाबो लगे? Minus 30. So, 15 into 2 is 30. Plus minus will make it minus. So, I have not multiplied minus 2. I have multiplied positive 2 because minus plus will keep it minus. So 15 into 2 is 30, plus minus minus 16 into 2 is 32. So You can see the numerator was minus 15, but now it became minus 30. Okay, just this is the last sum only. For number 2, numerator is 75. So, the rational number is minus 15 by 16. Now 15 into 5 is 75, since it is minus 75. So now you need to make it positive 75, isn't it? So minus and minus will make it plus. Okay, so similarly 16 into minus 5. 75 into 15 into 5 is 75, minus minus plus. 16 into 5 is 80, plus minus minus. Okay, number 3, denominator should be 48. Okay, so what is the rational number? 15 by 16. Minus 15 by 16 into something, and denominator should be 48. So 16 into 3 will give you 48. So you have multiplied 3 here. So 3 will be multiplied with the numerator. So 15 into minus 15 into 3 is minus 45. The last one, denominator should be equal to minus 96. Rational number is minus 15 by 16. So you have to multiply something to make the denominator minus 96. So 16 into 6 will give you 96. Okay, and here it is plus, so here it should be minus to make it negative. So I have multiplied minus 6, so I have to multiply minus 6 with the numerator also. So minus 15 into minus 6 is plus 80. Minus minus plus 16 into 15 into 6 is 80. Written till here, everyone? Any doubt? File written. Others, any doubt? Okay, that's all for today. See you on Wednesday then. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Smriti, do you have any doubt? Yes, Ratim, welcome. Okay then. See you on Wednesday. Ratim, we will get the PDF by the evening. Okay. Yes, Chinmay, I will give you.